Alright, so I took all the relevant stuff off the top of here with packing list, any pertinent confidential information that I don't need you guys to see. This was the top of the box, so we're going to go ahead and open it up then. As you can see, they kind of like shrink wrap this thing. Real thick shrink wrap in here. I guess to make sure this box didn't get wet or something. So I've got under that side. I should be able to just cut it straight across now. My knife isn't super sharp here, so. Oh my gosh, there's still more tape to this. Try to rotate this. Alright. Come on, come on. There we go. Now we got it. Look at that. Well, that's helpful. I mean, I'm glad they sent this stuff, but so basically this is my warranty card, I guess, and installation instructions. Now, unfortunately, these two things don't help me too much because I don't speak Portuguese or Spanish. Anyway, let's start opening this up. So this appears to be the rear set cover. Just want to open all this stuff up and inspect everything. It appears like it's wrapped very well, honestly. Yeah, it's wrapped very well. It smells absolutely horrible in here. It just smells like really strong, like adhesive glue. More or less from the tape, not really from whatever's inside of this thing. Just sheets and sheets of cellophane here. Look at this. I mean, all credit to the guys. I mean, look at this. This is really properly wrapped. There we go. Oh my gosh, it's actual fiberglass. That's beautiful. I think I have it right side up there. Yeah, I have it right side up. And we got 2 outlets on here. The back's just kind of flat in there. But it feels like plastic, but through the back here you can actually see the weave a little bit. If I turn it, it's actually fiberglass. It's beautiful. Put that aside for now. This is probably just packaging, so I'm just going to throw this on my other side so I don't get confused. This might actually be from that first thing I had. Yeah, I don't think that's part of this. I think it's just packaging. Alright, the only other 2 parts are the forward pipe, which appears to be this one here, and then the muffler and dual tips in this package here. Maybe I'll move this out of the way so I can work on this a little better. Move this back under the camera tripod. Alright, let's see what we got. Like, seriously, this is wrapped so well. Inch up a little bit. That's wild. There we go. Very nice. So, I don't see any hardware in here, so I'm guessing I'm reusing my stock stuff for most of this. Must be hiding in one of these bags or something, huh? Beautiful. So from what I understand, this is supposed to be, there's my front flanges. This is supposed to be like a full stainless steel exhaust system. There we go. Oh my gosh, they really polished that up there nice. Very bright. This is the bridge between the two pipes in here, so that's safe. I can cut there without breaking anything. Look at that. Beautiful. I can't figure this out. Yeah, it's all like shrink wrapped together. I'll just cut this section off. There we go. More garbage, I think. I am not. This is the first time I've ever bought an exhaust for a bike, so I'm not really sure what is or isn't supposed to come with it. But it seems like I'm supposed to reuse most of my old hardware for this, which is strange with that exhaust cover there, unless that's literally just the exhaust cover off my bike has the same kind of hardware. Let's see. There we go. That's where the seam is. There we go. That's nuts looking. Oh, I see what they did. Okay. So the front appears to have these weird welded collectors, like these flat flanges, and then the rounded off section here merging into the Y and then going out to the tip where the exhaust would. I don't see any damage there, so that seems fine. Put that aside for now. Last part. Alright. Let's get to the muffler here. I don't feel any crazy... Oh wait, there's something at the front here. Okay. So maybe that's how it attaches. Let's see if I can figure out how to open this now. There's the tape. Okay. Oh, that was a good one. Right here. And right there. Again, I'm trying to be as careful as possible with this. They have their own, they branded their own tape. That's pretty wild. Like, real credit here, guys. Like, I really appreciate wrapping it this well. So, like, I ordered this probably at the beginning of the month kind of thing. It took them approximately 15 business days to ship, so about a month of lead time. And once it shipped, it only took a week to get it out of Brazil from DHL. Oh, look at that. That looks amazing. Like, that really looks like an amazing piece of equipment there. Even kept the O2 sensor port. So I'm going to need to remember that when I get to the next part, which is actually installing this bad boy on there. I'm going to need to make sure I get the right tool for my oxygen sensor. So it looks like they gave me some kind of funky bracket here. I'm not sure what that's for. That might be to hold something on. And then there's a nut here for something else. So like you can see, we got our two exhaust tips. There's the dB killers in here, the little inserts that help to reduce the noise. Kind of hard to see because the inside's all blacked out. We've got our big muffler here. It's low and round, like oval shaped, instead of like the round that I'm used to seeing. And then just that, and just the V-band at the front. There's actually some gouges into it, which I don't know if I can actually There you go. You can just see them at the very front up there. They gouges as it comes around to allow it to kind of clamp down. That's beautiful. So again, that's our O2 port up here. Front pipe that goes into this section here. Kind of like that. And our rear cover, so when we put this all down, it kind of sits sort of like that. Yeah, something like that. It's pretty great. Pretty great. I like this a lot. So the next part, we're going to get into actually installing this.